Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala, taking a quick 2 minutes to introduce you to this pretty blue 2019 Nissan Sentra. And if you like real pretty metallic blue, maybe you're a Gator fan, this would be a nice color scheme to have. This is Chris. We're at 2261 Southwest College Road. And this 2019 Nissan Sentra has the upgraded SV version, alloy wheels, smoke-free cabins, some extra little bonus features on the inside. This Nissan has 39,000 miles on it. It's 29 miles a gallon in town and 37 on the highway. Has 11 or 12 Carfax service records and is just a very, very sharp car. This is a kind of car that we could get a customer that's not paying cash a low payment on. We've got some great national lenders, some fantastic local credit unions, and we even have Chris Credit. But these floor mats are in fantastic shape, as are the seats. There's not a smell inside. The air conditioning's nice and cold. Steering wheel controls. Just 39,000 miles. Technology plug-ins, lots of safety features. Front, side, top airbags. Very, very nice car. Still under factory warranty. This is a 2019 Nissan Sentra with the upgraded SV package, alloy wheels, and it's available today at Prestige Auto Sales. So if you're looking for a car in the mid to upper teens, we've got several of these. The dealership's phone number is 694-1234, and we're open Monday through Saturday, and it's our goal daily to make it both easy and affordable for our neighbors to own nicer, newer cars, trucks, and SUVs. We buy nice ones, just not to keep. This is Chris. We'll see you at the store.